morning everyone, it's Tuesday and today it's finally a cooler day. I am going to edit the previous vlog. I'm going to edit the unboxing of July and I'm starting with the design process for the advent box. Last week I made the final list of products and now I'm going to design. It's super summer weather, but maybe I have to put some Christmas music on to get in the mood. I'm also recording another video of the July box and I thought let's show you another sneak peek of the products. These are the washi tapes. Can you tell this is my favorite spot when it's hot like it is right now? It's so nice to sit beside the window and have some air coming in with this chair. And right now I'm writing down a list of all the pages that I want in my planner. Besides the weekly and monthly pages, I have to write down exactly what page and how many pages. So this is so exciting. This is really a dream coming true for me and I'm so excited how the process will go, and I would love to share how everything is going. And I think tomorrow I will be printing out some sketches, digital sketches I made for the weekly pages, and I want to try out a little bit myself how they work, if they work nice, because you can create things digitally, but it doesn't, you really have to try it yourself to see if it really is a nice working page. So that will be my to-do for tomorrow. Good morning everyone, it's another day at the Planything office and it's going to be a busy and hot day. First I'm going to pack the last few June boxes because it's practically sold out, which is really exciting. Thank you so much for that. And after that I'm working on designs of the advent box, Christmas box and the planner that I'm creating. So I printed some rough digital sketches. This is a little bit what the concept will be. On the left side it will be the weekly planning, and on the right side of the page you will have a blank page or dotted page. I haven't made a decision about that yet. On the right page you can use it as memory keeping, to-do, notes, trackers for sport or food planning. Of course, create some fun pages with stickers or paper, doodling, hand lettering, or even an extra planner page for other family members. Good morning everyone, it's Thursday and the time is going by so fast. Today the Dutch soccer team plays again, and that means orange. And today I'm working on the advent boxes designs and the planner designs, mostly designing, which is very boring and not really filmable. So yeah, we'll see what I will vlog today. Good morning everyone. Right now I'm working on getting the thank you cards ready, and then I'm going to pack the orders that are shipping out on Monday, and tonight I hope to get to design some more of the advent box and Christmas box.
I'm in the car with Jip and Poppy. We are going to visit a labradoodle friend of them, and I think they're very excited.
Good morning everyone, it's Sunday and I did a lot of designing yesterday and I want to show you the progress of everything. So last week I made these drafts, some really raw digital sketches of the layouts, and yesterday I first did a font study. So I have decided what fonts will be used in Planner. Digitally, you put on a list of words in different kind of fonts, and then you decide what font you like the most. So that's this font. I really like it. And then I went on with this layout in multiple designs. So the notes field, I don't even know yet if it's going to be called notes or priorities or a different name. This all sketches still. So it's here and there, it's there, here, here, and here and here. So this is a little bit how the process goes. The next step is giving a little bit more color on the designs, and I've decided to I want the long box on this side of the page. So I made two designs for myself to look if I want to be up or down. And yes, my printer ran out of ink, so this is not the color of my original designs, but you have a bit of an idea how these designs come to life. And yesterday I also received the first sample package from one of the manufacturers. I will be requesting for more so I can compare them. So I got a beautiful coil planner, a sample, the paper material that I want, and some discs.
So I really hope you enjoy seeing the whole process of the planner. Let me know in the comments what you think about all the things that I created so far. Good morning everyone! I'm ready to head to the post office to bring away all the packages of the last week. It's raining very hard after a few weeks of super hot weather, so I'm actually happy it's finally raining and a little bit cooler. After that I'm going to work again on the planner designs and the advent box and all kind of things. So I'm pretty busy, and also starting packing the July box for shipping early July. I want to thank you for watching this vlog and see you at the next one. Bye!